Good morning, everybody.
Good morning again.
Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you all how to make a drink for those hot summer days and summer barbecues. Today, we're going to be making sparkling lemonade. The ingredients we're going to be using are club soda, slices of lemon, slices of lime, leaves of mint, juice of lemon, and grains of sugar. And ice cubes from the freezer. Before doing so, however, let's see who this week's helper is. And this one is Shalom. We're gonna be doing this punch bowl style. Now, okay, first we pour in our club soda into this bowl. Okay, that's it for now. That's it for now. Yes, yeah, and a third cup of lemon juice. Then you add in a half cup of cane sugar. Or a quarter cup. Yeah. And a couple handfuls of lemon slices. Then our lime slices. Then we add in a pinch of mint leaves. Add some more club soda. So like so. Lastly, our ice cubes. Not yet.
Not yet. It's time for cooking class.
And a few handfuls of ice. Alright.
That's one, two, four.
Now we'll grab our ladle. Pour it onto our cup. Add in a little decoration. Michi, sit down.
Agree.
And just like that, we got a nice cool glass of sparkling lemonade.
Good.